Do you want to experience the latest Windows 11 25H2 update with all its new features and improvements? In this video, I will show you a simple and step-by-step method to upgrade to Windows 11 25H2 smoothly without losing your files or apps. So make sure to watch carefully till the end because each step is important and will help you complete the upgrade successfully. First, we need to download the Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft's official website. Open your web browser. In the search bar, type Windows 11 ISO and press enter. Click the first link that appears. It should be Microsoft's official site. Now scroll down to the section that says Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO for x64 devices. Now click the drop down under Select Download and choose Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Now click on Download Now. Next, choose your product language and click Confirm. Now click the 64-bit download button to start downloading the file. Since I already have the ISO file downloaded, I won't do it again. Please make sure to download it on your own PC before continuing. The file size is quite large, so depending on your internet speed, it may take some time. Once the download is finished, go to your Downloads folder and find the ISO file. Right-click the ISO file and select Mount. This will create a virtual drive on your PC. Now it will ask you, do you want to open this file? Just simply click on Open. Note, write down the drive letter of this mounted ISO. For example, mine is H, but yours may be different. Keep it in mind. We will use it in the next step. A File Explorer window may open automatically, showing the files. If not, open File Explorer and check under this PC, you will see a new drive. And now right-click on it and select Open. After that, you will see the Windows setup files inside it. Now let's open Command Prompt to begin the setup process. So go to Windows Search and type CMD. Now click on Run as Administrator. In Command Prompt, type your mounted drive letter followed by a colon. For example, mine is H, but yours may be different. Then press Enter. Now type this command. Your temporary DVD drive letter /setup.exe /auto upgrade /compact /migrate drivers all /dynamic update enable. Now you can temporarily turn off your internet connection for a faster upgrade process or keep it connected if you prefer. It may just take a little longer. So you can disable the internet connection using this command or you can do it directly from the system tray. Now check all the spaces carefully and then press Enter. You will now see Microsoft's license terms. Tick the box to accept. The installation will begin and your PC may restart a few times. Don't press anything, just let it complete. Depending on your system, it may take 20 minutes to 1 hour. So please be patient. When it's done, your PC will boot into latest Windows 11 version 25H2. To confirm, open System Settings and check your Windows version. Now go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates to download the latest improvements and security patches. This helps your system run smoothly and stay fully optimized. And that's it. You have now upgraded to latest Windows 11 25H2 successfully. So that's it for today. If this guide helped you, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.